What if the reason AI isn't working in your MSP has nothing to do with the AI product and everything to do with the operational mess you feed it? Steve here, an operational strategist from Advanced Global MSP Coaching, a team of Autotask experts. Today, we're going to cut through the AI help and talk about the only AI strategy that consistently works for MSPs, especially if you're living inside Autotask every day. If you've bought AI tools that promise the world and deliver, well, not much, you're not alone. In 2025, Advanced Global displaced about a half a dozen AI products because they flat out didn't deliver on their promise. So the question is, why? There are three core reasons we see AI failed in MSP operations. Reason number one, your knowledge base is not ready. AI needs a high quality knowledge base to pull from if you want high quality outputs. If your documentation is thin, outdated, scattered, or if nobody trusts it, AI will confidently suggest the wrong thing. The good news is it doesn't take a year to fix it. A solid knowledge base can be built in about 30 days if you follow knowledge centered support governance. If you've ever said AI sounds cool, but it'll never work in our shop, hit like. It helps other Autotask MSP owners find this video, and it tells me that more of the practical breakdowns are needed. Reason number two, your SOPs are not buttoned up. AI doesn't magically create operational consistency. It amplifies what's already happening. If your service delivery team has 5 different ways to triage a ticket, AI can't guess which one is right for your business. It needs documented SOPs so it knows what should happen, when it should happen, and what good looks like in our world. And just to show you how big this gets, when you map it out, there are lots of processes involved. Service delivery alone can be dozens and dozens of repeated workflows. The point is not the number, the point is consistency. Reason number three, accountability is missing. Even with solid knowledge and SOPs, if the team is not accountable to maintain the knowledge and follow the process, AI is back to reading chaos. And that's where real operational visibility matters. If managers and owners can coach to the data, you create a positive loop. If not, everything drifts, and quite frankly, AI drifts right along with it. Drop a comment if you've tried AI tool and it felt like things were noisier instead of cleaner. I want to hear what you tested and where it broke. So, what is the best AI strategy for Autotask MSPs? It's not shopping for the best AI product first. The best strategy is evaluating your operation, using the client request journey, tightening the process as you go, then layering AI where it actually has leverage. Here is the order that we like to evaluate MSP operations. First, the intake processes, triage processes, review and assigned processes. Just assign, or maybe it needs to be scheduled, tech engagement and disengagement processes, open ticket management processes. And notice I'm saying processes in plural. There is not one intake, one triage, one review and assign. It all depends. And you know this so well. We don't just do break fix. We do a lot of other things. And then at some point, you're ready for automation and leveraging. And that can be with or without AI. There's an awful lot of automations, at least 5 levels of automation inside Autotask. And there is a lot of automated mechanisms you can build. I think we build about 23 in some of our programs. So, and that's all without AI. And now we're preparing to lay AI on top of it. Oh, these are exciting times. And last, but clearly not least, you need KPI monitoring and leveraging advanced live reports. At every step, you ask the questions most MSPs skip. What is the ticket movement process in this area? How do the tickets move? Is it manual, workflow rules, or some other type of automated mechanism? How well is the process working? How can we improve, streamline, or even eliminate this process? And how can AI help us here in this specific area of the operation? That's the play. Get the questions right, and the answers get a whole lot easier. One more thing before you buy anything. Before you go hunting for AI tools again, you need accountability, tracking, and KPI clarity. You need to know which KPIs matter, where the data lives, and how to extract it in a way that supports a positive collaborative coaching and consistency. And that's how you stop the guessing. Now, if you want more Autotask focused breakdowns like this, please subscribe. We're going to keep calling out what works, what fails, and how to build a real operation that scales without you being the glue. Big news. After displacing a bunch of vendors, we did find one product that checks the boxes for all MSPs and actually aligns with how service delivery really works. Not theory, not philosophy, but real in the trench world experience. We're building a new demo environment around it right now so we can learn how it works, test it, and show MSPs the fastest path from operational chaos to something that feels a lot more like control. So if AI has disappointed you, don't throw the idea away, but fix the foundation first. Knowledge that is usable, SOPs that are real and practical, accountability that sticks. Then AI becomes an advantage instead of a risk. If you want help mapping your client request journey inside Autotask and figuring out where AI can actually move the needle, reach out to us at Advanced Global at agmspcoaching.com and schedule a free operational strategy call, and we'll see where the conversation goes. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe, and drop your AI war stories in the comments, and we'll catch up with you on the next one. Other than that, have an awesome day.